Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today in this video I give you some important questions from our Movement supplementary book and the chapter number 1, The Lost Child. Here some short answer type questions. Now the first one is, what are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? And answer is, the meaning of question is that मेले में जाते समय बच्चा क्या चीजें देख रहा है? And the answer is, on his way to the fair, the child sees toys, vast mustard fields, dragonflies, butterflies, doves, sweets, flowers, and hordes of people walking to the fair. Go to the question number 2. Why does the child lag behind? बच्चा पीछे क्यों रह जाता है? Answer, the child lags behind because he would watch the different happenings around him. He would get attracted to these things and would stop in his way. Thus, his parents would walk ahead and he would be left behind. Question number 3. In the fair, the child wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? मेले में उसे बहुत सारी चीजें चाहिए. वह क्या हैं? वह बिना उत्तर की प्रतीक्षा किए क्यों चलता ही जाता है? आंसर, इन द फेयर द चाइल्ड वॉन्ट्स टॉयज, बर्फी, balloons, garland of flowers, etc. He wants to listen the music of the flute. He wants to take a ride on the roundboat swing. The child moves on from all the stalls without waiting for an answer because he knew that his parents would not listen to his demands. Now question number 4. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things he had wanted earlier? उस खोए हुए बच्चे की उन चीज़ों से जिन्हें वो पहले लेना चाहता था, अब कोई इच्छा क्यों नहीं है? Answer is, the child loses interest in the things that he wanted earlier because now he is sad as he has lost his parents. Before getting anything of his choice, like sweets, flowers, balloons, joyride and music, he wants to reunite with his mother and father. Now students, there are long answer type questions. When does the child realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? उसे कब पता चलता है कि वह रास्ता भूल गया है? उसकी व्याकुलता और असुरक्षा की भावना का किस प्रकार वर्णन किया गया है? Your answer is, when the child raised his demand for a ride on the round boat, his parents did not reply. He moved his head up to look for them, hearing no answer from them. It was then he realized that he had lost his way. His anxiety and insecurity have been described in the following way. First, the child saw hafty men with murderous eyes and got scared of them. Second, he ran here and there looking for his parents. Third, his turban untied. Fourth, his clothes became dirty. Fifth, he was screaming at the top of his voice. And sixth, he was sobbing continuously. Now here some other important questions are, where did the child go with his parents? Answer, the child went to a fair with his parents. Second, how did the mother distract the child's mind from the toy seller? माँ ने किस तरह बच्चे का ध्यान खिलौने वाले से हटाया? Answer is, the mother distracted the child's mind from the toy seller by pointing towards a mustard field. Next, who rescued the lost child? किसने उस खोए हुए बच्चे को किसने बचाया? Answer, the man in the Shireen rescued the lost child. So students, here we complete our important question of lesson number 1, The Lost Child, from our supplementary movement. So you have to write all these answers in your notebook and learn in. All these questions are very important for your exam purpose.